In case you're wondering how to fill up a Zippo, made in the USA. Here is the Zippo lighter fluid, really good stuff. Just pull up on it. You'll hear it open up. You'll hear a little bit of air come in. Take the lighter fluid, put it inside here, and squeeze it in. And you'll see this thing fill up. As you're filling it, it's going to start dripping out the bottom. That's when you know it's full. Close the top. Good to go. Obviously, make sure to dry that up before you try to light it. But again, pop it open, pull it down, good to go. That's how you close it. That's how a Zippo works. It's that easy to do.